Hello everyone. We are going to our first destination in this trip in Japan, which is a small shrine called Sakura Shrine in near Sakura Shrine station. But look at this! Already we see a lot of cherry blossoms. It is said to be now in full bloom. Some of the twigs are already the leaves. The lines of cherry trees were spectacular. We are absolutely delighted to pass the street every day. Also, we found elegant carvings on the small bridge. This small shrine in Setagaya preserves ancient Shinto traditions founded in Kanda during the Meiji era between 1868 to 1912. It is known for blessings of healing and protection from fire, attracting visitors from Japan and abroad. I had high expectations for this shrine, but it was quite small, and the kindergarten or elementary school next door meant that the sound of children echoed constantly through the area. As a result, I wasn't able to experience the sense of tranquility often associated with the urban oasis. The people write wishes on the ribbons. Government shop original items related to this episode, such as apparel, home products, and accessories are available. Check the link below. Although it was a beautiful shrine, we did not stay long and soon continued on to our next destination.